How's it going, guys? It is the May vlog. So this is the 5th of May today. We're hard at work at shoe racing as always. Tune in to what we've been doing over this month.
Welcome to our shoe racing Weldon Bay. We're down here currently trying to get Nick here.
Don't tell Tony that. What? Call it the shoe racing Weldon.
Yeah, it's
shoe racing Weldon.
The shoe racing.
Tony.
Yeah, suspension jig so we can offer up the wishbones and everything and get it all welded together in time to get our rolling chassis ready for the 10th of May.
How's the drivetrain going?
Really good, mate. Basically done.
Nice, bro. What more have you got to do?
Got to get a mount for the solenoid. Waiting for a few sprockets to arrive, and then we've got to figure out waiting for a hand clutch system to come in, and then once we've done that, we're going to attach to the engine, check that it all works and gets the space in and moving how it should, and then get that attached to the car in the monocoque.
Can you give us a few stats of what the car, like what speeds are we going to be getting it to?
122 kilometers an hour top speed, about 75 mile an hour. We've kind of changed the gear ratios so that for the sprint test we are not just in a gear for about half a second, so we're trying to get longer gear ratios. So yeah, that's me.
Very nice.
Oh, mate, what's going on?
Mr. Thomas. Tell me what are you doing?
What this in about 2 days?
How is the steering coming along?
Brilliant.
You sound very good.
No, lots of progress, mate. Love it.
Nick, blur this out. Nice. It's looking good, bro.
Shit, mate.
I'm doing Nick's camera duties.
Right.
What are you trying to do, bro?
Just getting the wing attached back on so we can go back up on the car on display. Just make it look all nice and pretty.
It's the first time I might go on the vlog, yeah.
First time on the vlog?
Yeah.
No way. Bro, that's what you get with me. I put everyone on the vlog.
Yeah, bro. Nick never allowed me to come on it. Poor from him.
These are the crash structures. You probably have seen the video of this one. This is the one that passed. The other carbon ARP failed because it was too thin. We did an aluminium 4mm thick ARP. This is like the standard one that comes for comp. This also passed. Use the same impact attenuators for both, so we could see the difference between the carbon and the aluminium AIP. And we found out that you get large peak forces with the aluminium AIP because it's stiffer. This was a bit more flexible, so kind of drove down the peak force. Yeah. The calendar, what we've got to do. Completed the SES in February, EFROL report March, the IA data report April, and now we're getting on with these. These are all early, so it's actually the 5th of May, but I think it's due for 10th of May. Is that right? I'm just going around getting some footage. Yeah. And then we've got everything behind scenes. No, July's comp, so working towards that. Slowly but surely.
It's all coming together.
It is all coming together.
Nice, you. I like that.
What training do you have with SolidWorks, Morgan?
Huh?
What kind of training do you have with SolidWorks?
What kind of training?
Yeah.
Ultimate training, mate.
Can you
accurate.
do a boss extrude?
Really accurate. Yeah.
God, have you seen this guy?
Oh,
come on, mate.
He's calling you out. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
When is this going to be made for? Hopefully comp.
Yeah, comp. Day before.
These Catskills.
Cool, mate.
Do you want to drop your LinkedIn?
No. Not based off of this. I won't be getting any jobs. My name's Matt Beck.
No, he's Josh Lewis. This is Josh Lewis. Bro, talk me through your steering wheel, quickly. That's okay. What materials are we going for?
3D printed PLA and carbon fibre, hopefully.
And what's the reason for that?
Lightweight, recyclable.
Yes,
all the best.
Environmental factors.
Yeah, come on.
That's good, bro.
How's the electronics, all of that? And,
what's the little rectangle there for?
the dash, bro.
The dash.
Come on.
What does the dash do? For people who don't know about dashes.
Don't know, it would probably say things like more like oil temp and things rather than gearing. But yeah, just a step forward for the team.
Lovely, mate. proper quality, that.
You know me.
I have managed to get some precious time with Mr. Lewis, the drivetrain manager. Talk me through what's going on right now in the drivetrain department.
Okay, so we've kind of, in the last month or so, we've managed to get the differential mounts CNC, the eccentric ones, and we've had the differential bearings arrive, which means we can then assemble that together. And Nicky has had his backplate machine now, so we've kind of got all that assembled, which I'm sure there'll be clips of, which you can have a look at. So that's quite cool. We've really managed to package it really small this year, so it's really cool. We're about to offer it up to the back of the car and get it all assembled with the suspension assembly. Our solenoid has arrived as well. That's from ProShift. They've been able to sort us out with a nice solenoid which has better performance than the last one. It's a bit lighter as well. And they've kindly put a nice attachment method of attaching it onto our chassis for us, so we're going to bolt that onto the chassis in the right place. Kind of getting the final things lined up now. We should have our sprockets coming soon as well, which means we can get everything mounted, get our scat shield assembled, and then the car, and kind of everything's starting to fall into place now. We're also going to get our hand clutch system ordered. That's coming in. We did test a mountain bike brake, hydraulic brake lever, but that only moved the slave cylinder by about 1 millimetre, which was just not enough. We're a bit sceptical about it before we tested it. We might as well try it. It's much smaller than the motorbike one, so we tested it, didn't work. So we're gonna have to go on other avenues. So we're gonna get a motorbike clutch lever now. So that should do the job, and we get that tested and rigged up and integrated into the car.
Beautiful, beautiful. Well, I think I'm running out of battery, so we're going to leave it there for now.
Alright, see you later, mate.
I'm Matt, I'm Driver's Environment Manager. My 4th year on the team, even though I'd like to only say I've been on the team for 2 years. Yes, at the moment we're just putting the car back together.
He's walking really quick.
Yeah, we're putting the car back together upstairs. That's the 2019 car, the one that was used at last year's competition. So we're doing that, and then we're just going to work on some of the costing elements, because a big part of Forming Student is putting together a whole business plan on how much the car costs, and basically selling the idea as a company to the judges down at comp. So yeah, that's basically that.
What are you most looking forward to at comp?
Winning.
Winning.
Yeah. Got to come first.
Obviously.
Yeah. Got to get big jobs because of it, and got to live life.
Nice.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to just seeing the car on track as well.
Yeah.
It's been a long year so far, and trying to get it all done.
Do you think we'll have time to test it?
Maybe. A big maybe at the moment.
Yeah, we're quitting close up.
Yeah, we've got to have a rolling chassis by Tuesday, and the car doesn't even have Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday's hand in. Yeah, rolling chassis by Tuesday, and yeah, we haven't even got wheels on the car yet. So there's a lot to do. Yeah, it's going to be a busy couple of days for us. It's already been a busy couple of days. We've got our disses in at the moment, so we're working hard on those.
And we've got design reports to do, haven't we? Costume.
Yeah, those are due for next Tuesday as well. Yeah.
Hectic.
Yeah, it's a busy time of year.
Yeah, probably shouldn't be filming, but you got to capture it, haven't you?
Yeah, you do. As well, we've got our exams, final exams of university, all of us do in the next couple of weeks.
How many exams you got?
3. Yeah.
You look forward to it?
What sort of question is that?
did
Who
any-
looks forward to
Did any
exams?
revision?
I haven't had any time. Yeah, literally, there's been no time at all. But we'll get there.
This is like that. Have you seen them do where they do them like 73 questions? in like
Yeah,
slides?
yeah.
This is what this video should be called.
Yeah, like, oh,
70
hi,
questions with Matt
welcome to my house.
Yeah.
Does this sound like a feasible thing to you? Materialistically minimalistic.
Oh, God, no.
Materialistically minimalistic.
Yeah. I said the aim of geometry optimization, in the interest of weight optimization, well that's optimization twice, is to produce components that are materialistically minimalistic as structurally possible.
I like it. It's kind of like rolls off the tongue.
Materialistically minimalistic.
Yeah, I like it.
Got them.
If you liked it, guys, drop a comment.
Let me know what I should do for my conference paper by Thursday.
Yeah, I doubt this video will be out by Thursday, but you
Better
know.
have it, I need these comments.
We should put this on our TikTok page. Yeah, we have a TikTok page, guys. This is what Morgan Thomas sets up. He like dances on it as well, so if you want to see some good content.
Yeah,
be
he
sure
likes
to-
doing all of his TikTok dances, he loves them.
That's into it.
He gets a bit camera shy, but when he's on TikTok,
Yeah,
he just flows with it. He loves it.
His favourite TikTok is a man.
We're just chatting.
I hope he watches it through right before you do.
Yeah, he does.
What dominoes have you got?
Mighty meaty mate.
Oh,
It's a bit cold. It's last night. But...
You had one piece of it.
Yeah, well, no, I had that this morning for a bit of a mid-morning snack.
Right, it's hilarious. I've just bought him 4 pieces.
It's my lunch, isn't it, mate?
Oh,
bro, I love filming. I'm gonna do this every day from now on. Just grab Nick's camera.
your career, Chris.
yeah.
Uprights. So basically,
I'm gonna be a handball for me.
Yeah.
these are what we're going to be using to model. It's basically rapid prototyping. So we've sent our actual billets off to Idea to get manufactured, but in the meantime we'll just print off some of these so we can kind of put them on the car and get a quick rapid prototype just to kind of get a visual thing of what the car's be like and actually get it up on wheels so we can do other work to the car while we're waiting for these components to be manufactured. So a 3D printer all these, we've put some actual components in there that are going to be on the car as well, such as these metal bearing cups. So yeah, it's all coming together nicely.
Beautiful. Right, Mr. Lewis,
Not really. Mine's dinner.
can you talk us through what is laid out in front of the camera right here, please?
Hey, Skate.
Well, both of you.
Oh, look, this
Roll
isn't
joint.
in position. Actually.
Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that.
Where's our backlights downstairs? Isn't it?
Beautiful.
Do you want to start talking to you? Come on, Josh.
Oh, okay. So we got the two differential mounts from this one here with the sprocket on it. That's from last year's car. So you can kind of see a little bit more bulkier than my design over here, but actually kind of similar. But this one incorporates a chain tensioner within the differential mount, so it's an eccentric mechanism right there. So once you undo these bolts, you can rotate that round, and it gives us about an adjustment of 1.5 to 2 times a length of a pitch of the chain. So we've got that. The back plate's downstairs at the moment being fitted onto the car. So that's just out here for now, just out of the way. We've also managed to get our hubs manufactured as well. These were done in-house, so they're really light. And once our uprights come that are being manufactured over at Idea, we'll put these together. Got our inserts there for the drive shaft. So it goes in the end there. Got drive shafts coming. Got those coming from Drexler now. Actually, they've arrived. So a lot of things are ready to get assembled. So we've got our disc brakes here that Robbo designed. It's all coming together nicely. Really light components. Done well this year with a focus on weight reduction. Everything's coming out really light, and we should be on for under our target of 200 kilos. Pedal box over here. So it's all coming together much smaller than previous year's designs and much lighter due to its extensive FEA. We've also decided to manufacture 2 different types of
Tri-load mounts.
tri-load mounts. Thank you, Matt.
One steel, one alley. So we're slightly worried about the alley's performance. So hopefully we get some testing done. We can see how much wear there is. So then we can either go with the alley or we can swap over to the steel ones. As well as still some manufacturing to be done on my pedal box. There's some of the actual, still need some bits done, or it's all coming together quite nicely now.
Starting to focus on. There we go. That's
But yeah.
Also,
Go
have a
on,
look.
focus it.
Hear me. sorry to interrupt on your pedal
Oh,
box, but
oh.
this is a differential mount from 2016, which, as you can see, is much bulkier. So that weighs about 1,400 grams, and one of these assemblies weighs 355.
So if you do the maths,
It's a lot cheaper. Cheaper? Lighter.
cheaper.
Yeah, and cheaper. Yeah. And it just looks better.
It does. Yum 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 yum.
Go on.
No, alright.
Morgan, you want one?
Nick's going to enjoy reviewing this page, isn't he?
Yeah, Nikhil, don't bloody listen.
Working hard in the library.
Give a little message to Morgan, Luke, and Robbo, who aren't in.
Lazy bastards.
Well, first of all, I'm not going to say anything bad against them because they're hard workers, you know.
They are
They've been
hard
up till
workers.
4:15, I believe, today, or last
Mm.
night even, working hard on their assignments so that they can come into the lab during the day and focus on the race car. I don't know.
Everyone is working hard at the minute. Luke is our powertrain manager. Robbo is our whoops manager, and Mr. Morgan Kuhn is our aerodynamics manager, who's responsible for getting us down to the ground and sticking to the track. So it's been nice catching up. It's a peace out from me.
Been nice.
Can you sign off, Morgan?
Yeah, cheers for that. See you later.
Give us an update, you two.
In a bit.
We are shoe racing.
Don't know if we will be shoe racing, but we're definitely shoe.
No.
Yeah, I like what you did there. No, we'll be alright.
Nice.
We've single-handedly built a car in 5 days.
Well, you
Look at all these extras.
I've been a big part of it.
Oh, right, that's so it's 32.38.
Is that top speed?
38.
Top speed.
So there's 11 miles an hour between first and second gear.
We just shifting constantly.
You sure?
Look, mate, a second ago you were saying they're too long, now you're saying they're too short.
Bro, there's 9 miles an hour.
inbuilt ratios.
Yes.
Yeah,
So there's 11 mile an hour between every gear.
probably.
You best get designed in split.
I'm doing a presentation.
61.
Yeah, working on our presentation
But we're not going to
for
probably use for.
He ain't got a clue.
these three sexy
Oh, nice.
Look
Yeah.
at that photo. He's not even in the middle of it.
beasts. Yeah, bro, that's media manager's fault, that.
Media manager is
I don't
not
know.
doing any
We're gonna have to.
What's
we're
this,
gonna have
mate?
to have it so we can.
What?
Swearing now in the vlog is explicit.
No, because you know what
This
you
is
were
behind
doing.
the scenes.
Would you lot
This is not safe for work.
and leave it heads like back here?
So basically, making sure that my results are accurate, and as you can see, they've converged quite nicely here. So yeah, good values there. But yeah, so it's for my dissertation, also for the analysis of the structural strength of the differential. So you can see that we've literally got about 0.5 mil of deflection when every single force ever is applied to it in the worst case scenario. So it's going to be absolutely fine. I've done it in 3 different cases, of
839
different orientations of the tensioning system. Just to basically make sure
Yeah,
that
yeah,
in
but they
different
did change
orientations
suspension.
it's
They
going to
got off all the
perform
wishbones.
well
And they
and
did redo
effectively
it.
and not
They
break.
did it as best as
And
they
it's passed the
could.
test, so that's
Okay.
good.
Excellent.
Conference paper from
Well, we should
this conference.
Have we spoke about
Huh?
those things?
Or what you could do is match the bottom of that one with the bottom of that, which is only a tiny bit, and then it will look fine.
Can't see this, mate.
What's popping?
The livery.
And then I made a white leading edge. You like that?
I prefer a white trailing edge.
Oh, we do white trailing edge. I just couldn't do it. I just want to see what it look like. Nah, I need to go to some better.
Can we do white end plates?
On the front. I should try it. And you need to put idea on there as well.
Yeah, so it might be better because Idea's logo is being in it. Green, so it'll stand out better than it.
What's up, bro? What's happening?
Same breath. So
Yeah, so the nose cone's been made.
there you go.
We have moved everything
into the auto lab, as you can see. Well, you can't see.
Well, you can't
It's
see.
showing it.
See
Very empty and ready for car build. And I'm just getting on with getting this nose cone machine. Probably takes probably have like a 2-week production time, say overall. So, and we've got car launch on the 25th or 6th.
whenever Goodwood is. So then yeah, 25th, 26th.
Yeah, 26th. So which is like a month on Sunday.
It's going to be just assume.
Welcome to my crib.
My MTV.
Yeah.
My fun.
Can I show the? Can we show them the concept car?
Focus on that. It's too bright. Oh, there we go.
Is that the about to enter the automotive lab where we've just moved all of our shit. So this is our meter. It's quite big, isn't it? Actually.
Yeah, it's quite big.
Yeah. Well, the car's not here because it's down in the well bit at the moment. Getting room, all the different systems on the car. So everyone's got their own build station and assembly point, and then it's all going to come together in the centre of this room. We've got all sorts of facilities here.
Nice open area.
Yes.
Roof.
We've got all our action plans up on the wall as well. So everyone has a list of what they need to do in order to get the car built. Final steps. Piece it all together like a puzzle.
Very big puzzle.
Very big puzzle. Made a car.
I'm guessing this is like their little schedule. So they've got the element 1 to 4, and then what they've done. Sanding, clean and release. You don't want your carbon fibre to stick. That's why to release it.
Nick, enjoy this. That's 5,000.
I want you to give me 10.
Tender squeeze.
Very cool.
Ooh. Ooh. Cheeky. Ooh.
Ah, you just showed up.
Oh shit. This is an
Your
engine.
previous shoe resonated.
Yeah, these are all the engines we used to use. Big diesel turbo.
But this is what we're going to put in this year, actually, I think.
Yeah.
So we've got a whole.
We've got a couple of spares in case.
I think I made that one.
Production.
Yeah, I made that back from there.
Yeah.
That's why it's
Pretty
back.
simple.
It's got initials on it as well, somewhere, so.
Yeah.
So you know who made them.
We're going to take a few
You got
spares.
Brendan Bourne about to come through as well.
You want the true racing mascot?
What's going on here then? Yeah, no. We're just talking through our production line of engines.
Oh yeah, they're old specs those. Old specs.
All these spares we're going to take to you.
Exactly. You got to be prepared.
Yeah, you got to talk through the. Oh, wait, you know when you want? Yeah, you're going to get it.
Oh, come on.
Right, well, this is a mould that's been sanded, 1000 grit. Covering it up so no one else gets any more fingerprints on them.
Just a bit.
Mate, if you did that, I actually would have killed you.
I just been doing pull-ups and the thing is really dusty.
All the ones next door, I've got to redo every single one.
Oh no.
Yeah, George has done that one for the ribs on the inside. And now I've just got to do this one.
Yeah, working mate.
Yeah. Got an hour left.
That's why I was toilets before. They're pretty dark bougie compared to what's on there.
Really?
Yeah, they are better.
Are they?
You're going to show them that?
No.
Like,
I think you should, mate. I think you should.
Oh, because of the toys we never get to use in uni.
oh, what, the flight sim?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, if you're at Hall, well this is kind of like a, don't want to come to Hallington because you never use the plastic.
Why use an actual flight sim when you can use X-Plane?
Very good point. Very good. Base.
Can't believe it's such a waste. Look at that, 3 months.
You got probably take some of these monitors, that's over. Go on, mate. Give it. Yeah, you never get to use this.
Look, so you getting it?
I've been busy.
Camera shy, Nick.
No. I've been busy organising our teamwear that we're going to have. So look,
This is the old merch.
it won't look like that. It'll look similar to that.
There'll be more sponsors on it.
I think we have less.
Really?
Yeah.
But why did you put massive ones on front?
What? Yeah, the big ones are on the front and the back. I just thought you had no room. No.
Got any food in the lab?
No, I don't. We're going back to the lab now. Back through the maze that is E&G.
Right, I'll see you guys later. If you want to let Ollie and stuff know that the small element's done, so it can get put together.
Like released or?
No, something released. Do that once the brackets are on.
Okay, cool.
So you can put the hinges in.
Cool.
See you later.
So we're back from
Post
recent stuff.
It's not really a post office. It used to be a post office.
Yeah, it's like a second shop. Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Oh, you right?
Hello.
What are you doing?
It's the brake pedal. However, the shaft is slightly. We need to make a new one, but it's pretty much done now. Just waiting on one more piece to be manufactured, and the brake assembly can go together.
Oh, there's the devil with it. Yeah. Hello, mate. Learn how to drill.
That's just half of the steering wheel.
That's what we're going to be pacing you all with.
Conference in a little bit. I'm going to go through my section and just like double check it all, learn it,
Yeah.
and then like half an hourish.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that, mate.
So, we've got a conference presentation tomorrow, which we might show you actually.
That'd be good to set it up whilst we're doing that.
Hello, mate.
How are we doing? So, we've got a conference presentation tomorrow, and these are just practicing. We're in 3 separate groups.
So,
Boys, what's happening here? There's a one without a background, Luke.
Yeah, but it's messed up the diffuser.
These needs took out quicker.
bro, rest it back up.
Absolute fuming.
We're on that.
Absolute theft in the gaff.
No, I couldn't get it working because it's only that. I couldn't find that.
What are you up to, mate?
Making amendments after the first run through with David.
How did it go?
Did you get David's size?
Yeah, well.
Medium.
Just needs
How long
me
did it take? Yours?
19 minutes. But he said that you were allowed 20 minutes now with 10 minutes of questioning.
20 minutes.
Oh, it's 20.
20 minutes. Did you get it working?
Yeah, you got.
Are you sure it's 20
You
minutes?
said
to
15.
Yeah, well, we've just emailed Nick,
Yeah.
and you've said that you get 20 minutes.
Oh, so.
So yeah, 20 minutes, 10 minutes of questioning, half an hour slot.
This is all great. We know exactly how long we're allowed to talk the day before our presentation.
Oh, yeah.
Are you confident, boys?
Very confident.
Yeah.
Couple more runs through needed, and we'll implement some changes, and then happy days. Happy days. That's just rude, that.
It's got a big
Theft in the gaff.
Theft in the gap manager is basically a title to just do niche.
PM is slacking here. Yeah, look at him. All he does is wear his designer tees and no work.
Yeah, you're not wrong there. Well, you got the steering wheel?
Yeah.
He's got half of it.
Steering
Don't know
wheel.
Alright.
Yeah. Gonna have to be a different colour other than white though. It gets very dirty.
Probably paint it.
I like it.
Well, it's covered in stuff.
No.
Like almost like not paint it, varnish it.
Oh yeah, but it's really dirty.
Can't you get 2 different filaments to print out at the same time?
Put it in a sink and give it to Rob. Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
Water, mate.
Bit elbow grease.
Sorry,
and
this
soapy
boss is no longer available.
Right, if you're not using that, we'll have it back.
There you go.
Sorry, this boss
We're
is not
using it.
Ah! The retina. Right. Nick, can you do a
Not really.
See you later.
from the rear end?
Ta-ra.
Ta-ra.
Oh, wait.
Business.
Right.
I can't believe I'm mad skating.
What's wrong with that one?
It was him that was on the fucking whole time.
That was funny, that.
Oh my god, Beck. We got time. Find the good one then.
Do you want to put you there?
No, put you there.
I know what I'm going to do.
No, because there's not like a half-inch size on here.
Pretty sure I just saw anti-half inch. Well, you know what half inch is? Yeah, same thing.
No, it's not. Are you having a giggle? That is a load of horseshit.
Oh, I'm thinking of ID for 5/8. My bad. No, bro. No, that's all you. Oh, Beck, you're off the team. You're off the team for that.
What's he doing?
Look what he's done. Duresh, you don't need to film that. There's no need to film that. My own media team is against me.
Say I'm wasting time.
You're
deleting shapes. I'm adding things.
Stop playing with your shapes. You're not in year 3 anymore. Yeah. How about you get some
You need
content?
to actually do it now.
Yeah. If you stop playing with shapes, maybe you would do it.
What do you mean that actually do it? This is actually doing it. Looking at the cost, bro.
No, we actually need to do the presentation.
Yeah.
That's what we're trying to do.
trying to do everything, bro.
He's not.
That's
MD.
why I've been
We're
rushing.
doing this.
That's why I've been rushing.
Rushing what? Deleting shapes.
I thought it was going to be
Honestly,
the late one.
this guy has worked out how much you get paid from Twitch. That's all he's done all day.
We're getting £1 million thanks to me. What are you doing? Costing us. That's what it is.
Hello. Been a while. Just off the camera. Bit different from where we last. Been a while.
We recorded the other day.
Yeah, well, chassis wise, been a while. Roll structure's near enough ready to go. It's near enough done. Just been finishing off the welds. They're getting the plywood support tube in. This was a bit of a nightmare just because it's the angle it's at, trying to notch the tube to match the vertical main hoop. Just throwing some tacks in now for the bottom pickup points for the main tube, and then she's done. Oh no, I've got a welding harness, so I don't know where that is. I should have that back pretty soon. And then that's it. No more welding of the main hoops or from the rear hoops. Has he done that? Alright. That's what I need. I need to weld that onto the front. So big rush to get everything welded up for next Friday so that we can. Is it 0? Yeah, nice. So we can get Jordan's coming in with Tom to do some more electrical, so then next Friday we'll be able to apply it. Because as you see, we have some stickers lying about, so like ETB, Master, and then on because the front hoop wasn't in, we had all along there like paddle shifters and some stickers saying where things are. But hopefully for next Friday we'll have a car near enough built, because we did rolling chassis and then we took it apart so that we could carry on building basically.
Rob, come here, please.
Is this a real one?
Hello. Not too big for the bed?
Nope.
It's fine. Well, it bows quite a lot and all that material. You notice?
When you're cutting it?
No, just the 3 months still when you take it out from the bench. Because it's all stacked against each other, I think it's like slightly goes in. Try to cut on the bow or on the concave or on there.
Shouldn't matter, as long as you've got torch eye control turned on, which will be on by default. Yeah? What you got to watch out for is sometimes when it's going up in wide, you like there's something wrong with it, and it gives you a serrated cut, you know, like a crinkle cut chip.
That's just
What?
No.
You don't know what a crinkle cut chip is?
No. Sounds like
What do you mean? This guy doesn't know what a crinkle cut chip is.
They give you indigestion real bad.
Oh. Are we showing on about from KFC?
Yeah, like a chip.
Oh, right.
It's like a crinkly cut chip. So it looks like that going up the edge, right? Well, it does it when it's going that way.
Right.
To fix it, you just turn that off again. So as soon as you hear it start to do it, goes.
If you did it out of stainless, I know.
Sorry. As soon as you hear it,
Yeah.
yeah, you click that, turn it off.
Okay.
That's the only thing. You don't always do it.
I know.
Right.
Just do some-
It's not end of world, it's just do it. I didn't don't hear it or whatever.
No, you just get a really crinkly edge. And say, look, so look, you zeroed it, and let's say you zeroed it. Yeah, that's where you're talking.
They could do it, I'm sure.
Oh shit.
The weird stuff. They're not set up.
Yeah?
for it, so
Right.
So it tends to be getting done in a timely manner.
So that crosshair is where your torch is,
Exactly
yeah?
like
Your torch is still in.
Yes,
set
fine.
Yes,
for
it's
it,
fine.
it's about and stuff.
Right.
Like
We'll check them.
flexuses, that's all.
Sorry.
Right. Ready?
So these are the sides of the diffuser. I've just plasma cut these. The tongue and grooves on the sides, the knobbly parts, are to slot into the other pieces which are on the table over there. Just need to go into the fettling room now and get all these burrs off the sides and get away all the grub, really. So that's the next job.
I'm so annoyed about that. Oh, this is already.
Oh.
Whoa! Well, actually really on the wells. How much does that cost?
Wow. That is so light.
More well expensive.
You guys are putting around like it was nice and cheap.
It's not that, it's not expensive. Woo! Oh. Well.
It's crap.
No, it's
Not the right piece.
no, it's right, but it's not shoe racing quality. That I'll tell you that, that's for sure. Good job they're not sponsored. The amount of pinpricking on that is unreal. And look at this, the seam's not straight for one.
Oh my goodness.
It was only 40 quid, but
Ah.
yeah, look at all the other whites. And also, VTech Carbon move is they've used white polish, not black polish, because obviously the black polish infill, white polish shows up like it's got acne. Alan, we'll get Alan out of his store cupboard to cut it up. We'll be like, oh.
What's it for?
I thought there was an. Oh no, it's lengthy as a limb on, isn't it? Oh, that is horrendous. Look at that.